वरिष्ठ नागरिक तीर्थ यात्रा योजना 2025-26. The Odisha government has launched the Varishta Nagarika Tirtha Yatra Yojana from 1st February 2016 to facilitate senior citizens residing in every district of our state to travel to various pilgrimage places in the country. It is being implemented in collaboration with the Tourism Department of the state government and the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Category IRCTC. The complete details of the scheme are available on the Tourism Department website .odisha.government.in. Eligible senior citizens will get the opportunity to travel under the Varishta Nagarika Tirtha Yatra Yojana once in their lifetime. Under the scheme, citizens aged 60 to 75 are selected irrespective of caste and religion. For the selection of beneficiaries, any one of the documents as proof of their address or age or identity category as prescribed by Government of India or Government of Odisha. Besides, MGNREGS, job card or Antyodaya, Annapurna or old age pension or widow pension or ration card under NFSA, etc., in which name and age are clearly mentioned, shall be acceptable as EWS category proofs or financial backgroundness has to be submitted along with the application. In the case of a senior citizen couple, either one of them must be above 60 years of age. Senior citizens between the ages of 70 and 75 can take one person over the age of 18 with them as an attendant while traveling. Through this scheme, so far, more than 37,555 senior citizens from various districts have got the opportunity to visit pilgrimage sites like Madurai, Rameshwaram, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Ajmer, Pushkar, Tirupati, Balaji, Vellore, Srikalahasti, Shirdi, Nashik, Triambakeshwar, Belagani, Nagapattinam, Thanjavur, Sukeshwar Kali, Kolkata, Kamakhya, Agra, Mathura, Vrindavan, etc. in 40 trips. In the financial year 2024-25, 7,967 senior citizens got the opportunity to visit pilgrimage sites like Shirdi, Nashik, Dakshineshwar Kali, Kolkata, Kamakhya, Ayodhya, Varanasi, etc. in 10 trips. For pilgrim selection, the district collectors of the concerned districts select the pilgrims as per the quota specified for the district. In case of more applicants, the pilgrims are selected through lottery. To meet the shortfall, a waiting list of 20% pilgrims is prepared. 800 peoples, 775 senior citizen pilgrims, and 25 escort officers travel in each trip. Applications can also apply through the online link yatra.odisha.government.in. The state government provides the following facilities to the pilgrims through the said scheme. Transport facility to the pilgrims from their village to the respective railway stations and back, accommodation, transportation, and food and beverage arrangements for all pilgrims during the journey by IRCTC. Travel guide, travel insurance, and medical facilities by IRCTC.